In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Google Calendar personal app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect after you turn it off, so you can tidy up your workspace or troubleshoot without worrying about your calendar data. Start by opening the platform where you manage your apps and look to the left side of the screen. Find the apps option in the left-hand navigation and click it. This is your hub for managing add-ons and integrations. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see the word apps, look for an icon that represents apps, or expand the sidebar so the label appears. Clicking here brings up a list or library of the tools connected to your account. Next, click on Personal Apps. This view focuses on apps that are tied specifically to your profile rather than anything installed for an entire team or organization. It's the quickest way to see what you've personally enabled, and it helps ensure you're making changes only to your own setup. Now, locate and click on Google Calendar. You should see the familiar calendar icon and the app name. Selecting it opens the app's details page, where you can see information like what the app does, how it connects, and the controls available to you. If you don't see Google Calendar listed here, it may not be installed for your profile, or it may be managed at a higher level by an admin. In that case, you won't have anything to disable in the personal section. On the Google Calendar app page, click on Disable App. You may be prompted to confirm your choice, and that's normal. Disabling the app stops the integration from running in your workspace. The app's panel or shortcut may disappear from your sidebar, and features like in-app calendar previews or quick add actions will no longer be available. This action does not delete your Google Calendar or remove any of your events. It simply disconnects the integration here. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same spot to enable it again. That's all there is to it. Click on Apps on the left side, open Personal Apps, select Google Calendar, and choose Disable App. Give the page a moment to update, and if the interface doesn't refresh right away, a quick reload of your workspace usually makes the change visible. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your